What's going on, guys? Good morning. We're gonna be heading out to Sema right now. It's like 6 a.m. It's Monday morning. It's freezing out. We got the car all taped up already. You know, we don't want to get any rock chips or anything. I'll show you guys the new wheels later. I'm gonna be having 2 different wheels on each side. And yeah, guys, I'm super tired right now. Put some tape on the front lip. Gonna put all our bags in the car. Right now we're gonna go to Innovate. We're gonna meet up with my buddy Mike, and then we're gonna start heading down to Vegas. So let's get out of here. All right, guys, we're gonna head out right now. Taped up the whole front end. I taped up a little bit right here in case rock kicks up. And I taped up right here too in case some rocks kick up as well. Let's get it, guys. Sema bound. Let's do this. Do you think we can get there in a full tank? How many miles? 289. What do you think? Probably not.
3 hours later.
So we just exited, guys. I'm gonna stop by Alien Fresh Turkey. I'm gonna get some bomb ass beef jerky real quick. I've actually never been here. I've always heard about it. My friends have always brought it back to me, but I've never been here myself. So let's check it out. It looks pretty chill. This place looks crazy.
It looks good.
Oh, I don't know. That driver looks a little scary. Here all the way up. Dude, it looks crazy. What the fuck? It looks weird. It looks like a spaceship or something.
It's weird.
It's wild.
What the hell?
Been driving for like a few hours. This is how the tape's holding up. It's already coming off. People probably look at me like, what the fuck is this guy doing? Let's peep my base fit. Damn.
It has pockets.
Damn. Dude, this place is crazy. Look at these big ass tires in here. It's wild. Fresh alien jerky. Oh, look at all this hot sauce. So much, huh? Banana chips. I love banana chips. Looks like
Jabba the Hutt?
not Jabba the Hutt. What's his name?
Oh no, Jabba the Hutt's the fat one.
No, his name's
Jar Jar Binks.
Jar Jar Binks. I think I'm gonna get this one right here. Fuck. Oh, it's fucking candy.
Yeah, so we do a hot one thing.
Where?
Oh wait, I thought it was hot sauce. Oh yeah, it is.
It is? Is it theirs?
Oh, it's barbecue sauce from hell though.
Show us what we got. What do we get? What do we get? What do we get?
We got
Let me see. Let me see it.
peppered beef,
We got peppered beef. Bomb. What else?
Space Cowboy pepper beef.
Alright, okay. Well, maybe they taste different, hopefully. What's another one?
Lemon pepper beef jerky.
That's gonna be dang for sure. What else? The last one?
Sweet and spicy beef jerky.
We're probably gonna eat all this in the hotel, guys.
Sriracha.
Oh, another one?
Jerky.
Oh man, I gotta eat them by the restaurant for sure.
Sriracha.
For sure. Alright.
Oh wait, my keychain.
Your keychain too? Alright. That's pretty dope. So we're about like 30 minutes away. Vegas, but I don't want to roll up into Vegas with all this masking tape. So I'm gonna take it off before I get there, you know? Gotta look good. But I did the full front bumper and then just some on the side. So we're like 50% done. Honestly, this is a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. Go ahead.
I'm scared.
Just pull it. It's like unwrapping a present. I know. It's because it's really cold right now.
Pull it. This shit is.
Now we gotta do this part. Get all these little pieces off. Go. Oh my god.
I'm scared.
Just keep doing
done.
it.
I'm scared. Oh god.
I did see some, like on the other one, there was some rocks stuck to it. So it did serve a purpose for sure.
Oh, the back ones, yeah, too.
Yeah,
There's
they're
some, like dirt.
like debris and stuff, right? Yeah.
And some like tiny rocks.
We're here like every other week, guys.
I want to be here.
So a wing on my bolt came out.
The wing on your bolt?
The bolt on my wing came out. I'm not gonna edit that out.
You need to go to sleep.
I need to go to sleep. I need to get some sleep. So one of the bolts on my wing came out. I'm gonna have to get a new one right now. I'll show you guys when I get back to the car. But shout out to Home Depot. It's the plug. I need to get a decal on my car. The wing on my bolt. Son of a bitch, I need to get some sleep. So I got some removable thread locker. Hopefully this will help. Because I know there's a lot of vibration going on in the back with the exhaust and stuff on the wing. So I'm just gonna put a little. Oh, I need to cut it. It's a gooey fucking glue. Fuck. Alright, I'll put this on the floor. Alright, back to what I was saying is I bought removable thread. Oh, shit. It's nutting everywhere. Hopefully this will help it from not coming off.
It's blue?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me see.
Ew.
Ooh. Where's the tool at? Let me see.
So this is like super sticky or what?
It'll just help the threads not come loose, I believe.
So it just gets like fat in there.
Yeah, it gets some extra. I'm gonna put it on all of them just to be safe.
Ugh.
What? I know.
What?
I know, right?
Make it loose then.
And then the one on the other side, that's the one that came off. This one on that little bitch. Oh, there it is. Oh, you like that, Daddy? Hold it.
Ew. It's all rusty.
I know it's all rusty. Definitely gotta get some better bolts. Alright, that one's good. Alright. So this is the actual one that came off. I guess we're driving like this for a while and didn't even notice. So we ended up getting a little bigger size, so hopefully it doesn't come out.
3 hours later.
We're already in Vegas, guys. So before we get back to the hotel and show you guys that, I just wanted to show you the wheels I'll be rocking for Sema. So on this side, we're running the thrust wheels from Innovit. They're a nice multi-spoke wheel. They're in a sand black finish, but right now they're covered in brake dust because it's driving over here. You can literally see how dirty they are. I'm definitely gonna get a full detail before I actually head into Sema. You can see how dirty my car is already. This is a 20x10. You guys can see the concaveness in the rear. The offset is not that insane, so we're able to tuck all the way in, so that's a good thing. Then this is the front wheel. Just like most typical wheels, the front wheel is always flat, so you guys can check that out. So I'll be running this set of wheels on this side, and let me show you guys the other wheels on the other side. The wheels on this side are probably my more favorite wheels. They just got released through Innovit. They are the Blitz wheels. You guys can see right here. They look so good. Look at that tuck in the rear. It looks so clean. Also, I recently put my Motorsport Hardware extended lug nuts on. I was showing you guys in the earlier videos. Those look so sick as well. We got the, we gotta get the plug in there. We got to get the YouTube plug in there. The new banner for Sema. This is the front wheel. Looks really good. I just wanted to show you guys real quick before we head back to the hotel. And also, you guys know I did the GTS wing recently. I upgraded the mounts to have a higher mount so I can have a more aggressive wing in the rear. You guys can see the back view. It stands up a lot more. I think it looks really good. I still I'm kind of missing the GTS style because it's a little more low-key and low-pro, but I think it looks really good. So yeah, guys, this will be my final Sema look. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. I'm gonna head to the hotel right now. I'll show you guys the hotel and stuff when we get there. I'll probably end the vlog there, but yeah guys, this is the final Sema look. I've had the car for a little over 2 months now and I've done so much to it. Alright guys, so we just got to the room real quick. I wanted to show you guys before I end the video. So this is where we'll be staying. If you guys are at Sema and you guys are seeing these videos, let's definitely meet up. Let's hang out, let's talk, or let's do something. So yeah, this is the view from our room. So nice. It's like a whole resort out here. The room's not too crazy. It's not like a suite, but it's pretty nice in my opinion. I have a nice king size bed, shower, double sink, closet space. Looks dope. So yeah guys, I'm gonna just eat all these snacks real quick and I'm gonna knock out. I'm so exhausted. It took us about 3 hours to 4 hours to drive here, so I haven't drove that far in a while. But yeah, that's gonna end it for today's video guys. I'm super tired, I'm gonna knock out. I hope you guys like the way the wheels look on my car. Even though there's 2 different sides of them, I think they both look really good. And yeah guys, I'll see you tomorrow. I'm gonna try my best to upload daily because I'm gonna be going to Sema every single day. I'm gonna try to get the most craziest content there. Try to see all the crazy builds. There's a lot of builds that I wanna see that I've been seeing on Instagram that are building so much hype. But yeah guys, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace out.